Good morning, family. I'm out here in Gatlinburg, Tennessee. Not alone. I'm with Luke and Tata. None of them chooses to really get in the picture or the video. But just here, just wanting you guys to enjoy some of the beautiful scenery. We've been here for some time and we're just absorbing it. Now the humidity is high here, and for an asthmatic like me, it can be an issue. But you got to get up and get out and get what you can get your medicine in you. But it happens to be a beautiful day today, and I wanted to share that day with you. You have a very blessed and wonderful day. This is Lady Legata. I'm out.